Flooding at the coast and inland does the most damage in a tropical system. There are no building codes to fight the water. The safest thing is to buy flood insurance. Regular homeowners insurance doesn't cover it, and the cost can be high.
Insurance is creeping up along the coast, especially east of I-95 and on the barrier islands. It's just part of life down here.
Wind damage, which is second to flooding in tropical systems, is something that homeowners can try to fight. You should first take a look at your roof. Check out this test from the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety. The house on the right had its roof trusses attached to the walls. The house on the left did not, and in 100-mile-per-hour winds is gone. The roof should also be sealed. If not, you run the risk of water damage inside. In this test, the shingles don't hold up, exposing the roof deck. Then testers poured up to 8 inches of rain on the home, much like in a real hurricane. One side of the roof had a sealed roof deck and saw only minimal damage. On the unsealed side, water was pouring through and parts of the ceiling collapsed.
Sealing the roof deck will go a long way toward keeping wind and water out of your home. What we saw today on the side of the duplex with no tape on the seams, without the sealed roof deck, was water streaming in, cascading. It looked like it was raining inside as well as outside. And as a result, we've seen a tremendous amount of damage. If a family lived in that home without the sealed roof deck, they would be out of that home for many, many weeks, potentially even many months.
Besides the roof, you also want to take a look at all the potential openings on your house, so that would be windows, doors, garage doors, skylights. You can cover those, or you can make them impact resistant. The Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety looked at the 18 states along the Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico susceptible to hurricanes, and they ranked them on a scale for their building codes and enforcement. And you can see North Carolina came in 7th place. They had a score of 81 out of a possible 100. Now, our state obviously wasn't number one. Who was? Well, a couple were, really, with a tied score. Florida and Virginia came in at number one with a score of 95 each. The other states that ranked ahead of North Carolina were, well, they were New Jersey and also Massachusetts, Connecticut, and South Carolina. The state that had the lowest ranking, if you're interested, well, they hardly have any building codes there, and Mississippi came in with just a score of 4. For more information on things you can do around your home to prepare for a storm, go to WNCN.com and click on the Weather tab. Wes, back to you.